What's going on, everybody? So this is a night unboxing because I was working mowing all day today, so we do have an unboxing. As you can see, it says an LED light bar. It's open. It came from California, I do believe. Else is going to be in the video, of course. Come here, girl. Come here. Get your butt up. Yeah, Paris. So probably want to stay in the box. Look, styrofoam. So we got some styrofoam. We got some curb brackets. We got this. We're gonna get mounted to the. There you go.
And see who can, stay the longest. Okay, here's what I got. These things are worth doing.
Mounted to the front of my truck.
Yes, those will go great with this. Ginger and I.
This is a 20-inch LED light bar. We're gonna mount this bad boy to the front of my truck.
It's just like if I fall, it will be so embarrassing. And they're
Yep.
very good.
Oh yeah.
Like they don't look awkward.
So I'll go ahead and.
I feel like
That's pretty loose. That one's tight. Go ahead and get the feet mounted up on her, and I'll show you replace the feet. Alright, so I'm back. I got the feet mounted on there. It's all, there we go. It's all level. It's how it'll sit on my truck. So yep, this will be getting put on in the next couple days, hopefully. Wired up to one of the switches on the Phoenix switch box. So, kind of excited to get this thing going on the front of the truck. Kind of cool. You get like a bull bar or something, then mount this on the bull bar for the front of my truck. But anyway, so yep, we'll catch you guys later, and be watching out for a video tomorrow. We got a weed eater rack that we're installing tomorrow. So we're going to be putting it on, doing a couple modifications to our new trailer. So be watching out for that video, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great night.